Welcome students. I take a science subject. Lesson 1 measurement is a continuous part of screw gauge. Screw gauge is to measure the diameter of a thin wire and the thickness of a small sheet. Once again, the screw gauge is to measure the diameter of a thin wire and the thickness of a small sheet. Next we will move to description of screw gauge. This is a screw gauge. You see the parts of the screw gauge. In this screw gauge they have the two scales. One is main scale or pitch scale, and another one is head scale. Next, in this screw gauge, it consists of U-shaped metal frame. In this screw gauge, it consists of U-shaped metal frame. And this one end is fixed. In the end is known as stud. That is known as anvil. The stud is actually used as a stopping point of a screw. The stud is used as a stopping point of the screw. Next, another frame end is the plane surface. In the surface is known as spindle. In the spindle is moved by turning a ratchet. Is moving in a ratchet. Next part, in the metal frame is parallel to the one cylinder. In the cylinder is known as main scale or pitch scale. It is measured with the value of millimeter. It is graduated in millimeter. So, in the main scale division, its value is 15 millimeter. 15 millimeter. 15 millimeter. Next, this is the circular scale. This is the circular scale. In this circular scale is graduated with a 100 division. In this circular scale is graduated with a 100 divisions. Next, this is the ratchet arrangement. That is known as safety device. It is used to prevent the user from extracting undue pressure. It is used to prevent the user from extracting undue pressure. So, in this screw gauge, they have the two scale. One is main scale. It is a millimeter value, and the other one is head scale. It is 100 equal parts of the value. Next, we will move to pitch of the screw gauge. Pitch of the screw gauge. The pitch is equal to distance moved by the pitch divided by number of rotation by head scale. Number of rotation by head scale. See the screw gauge. It is the 0 value, and then 1, 2, 3. It's the first 1 millimeter is completed with 1 rotation. So 1 millimeter divided by 1. Then next rotation, it is a value for 2 millimeter. Its complete rotation for Next 2 division. So pitch is equal to 2 millimeter divided by 2 complete rotation, that is equal to 1 millimeter. That is equal to 1 millimeter. So pitch of the screw is equal to value for 1 millimeter. It's the same for least count. Is the value is equal to pitch divided by 100 division. Pitch divided by 100 division of the head scale value. So pitch is equal to 1 millimeter divided by 100. So least count is equal to 0.01 millimeter. Next we will move to zero error. In the screw cage, the main scale reading of 0 and then head scale reading of 0 is coincidence. They have no zero error. That is known as zero error. In this zero error is two types. First one is positive zero error. Second one is negative zero error. If the positive zero error, when the screw cage scale is above the value, above the reference of the main scale division, above the reference value is fifth line is coincidence. So zero error is equal to plus n into least count. N is the head scale coincidence. What's the value for n? 5. So 5 into 0.01 millimeter. So zero error is equal to plus 0.05 millimeter. That is zero correction is equal to minus 0.05 millimeter. Next we will move to negative zero error. If the negative zero error, when the zero of the screw cage is below the reference line of the main scale. If the zero of the screw cage is below the reference of the main scale value is 95. So zero error is equal to minus of 100 minus n into least count. So minus of 100 minus 95 into least count. So minus 5 into 0.01 millimeter. That is zero error is equal to minus of 0.05 millimeter. Zero correction is equal to plus 0.05 millimeter. I do one activity for thickness of a scale. In the thickness of the scale value, main scale reading is 1 and then head scale reading is, what's the value? 98. So 98 into least count 0.01 is equal to 0.98 millimeter. So total reading is equal to 1.98 millimeter. So take the other side of the scale reading, thickness of the scale reading. What's the value? Then main scale reading is 1 and then head scale reading is 95 into least count 0.01 is equal to 0.95 millimeter. So total reading is equal to 1.95 millimeter. Next move to other side is to measure the thickness of the scale reading. What's the value? The main scale reading is 1 and then head scale reading is 92 into 0.01 is equal to 0.92 millimeter. So 1.92 millimeter for the total reading. Therefore, mean value is equal to D1, D2, D3. That is equal to 1.98 plus 1.95 plus 1.92 divided by 3. That is equal to 5.92 85 divided by 3. So mean value is equal to 1.95 millimeter. So in the screw gauge is used to measure the thickness of the scale. Value is equal to 1.95 millimeter. Thank you for listening, students.